A simple guide to the most useful types of vinegar. People all over the world use vinegar in their cooking in many different ways. Aside from making food taste better, vinegar can also be used to keep it fresh. But there are a lot of different kinds. So which one is best? Let us break it down. 1. Apple cider vinegar. This vinegar is great for food and health reasons, and it has a slightly fruity taste. A lot of people use it in stews, marinades, and salad dressings. Some people also use it as a natural cure for different illnesses. But there isn't a lot of scientific proof that it works. 2. White vinegar. This clear vinegar can be used for a lot of different things. It's used to clean, pickle, and add to food because it tastes sharp and acidic. White vinegar can also be used to clean the house because it is very good at getting rid of grease and grime. 3. Balsamic vinegar. This vinegar comes from Italy and is famous for having a rich, sweet taste. This oil is often used to drizzle over fruits or veggies or in salad dressings. Some kinds of real balsamic vinegar are pricey, but there are also cheaper ones out there. 4. Vinegar made from red wine. This vinegar tastes strong and fruity because it is made from red wine that has been aged. It's often found in stews, marinades, and salad dressings. Red wine vinegar gives food more depth and goes well with hearty foods like meats and veggies. 5. Rice vinegar. This mild, slightly sweet vinegar is often used in Asian cooking. It's an important part of sushi rice, marinades, and sauces like sweet and sour. You can pickle things with rice vinegar, and it makes food taste brighter without overpowering other flavors. Which kind of vinegar is best for you? In the end, it depends on your personal tastes and food needs. But if you want something that can be used in many ways, white vinegar is the best choice. It is a must-have in the kitchen because it can bring out the tastes in food. Keep food fresh by pickling, and clean up tough spots. What kinds of vinegar are good for your health? There is some scientific proof that different types of vinegar may be good for your health in different ways. A quick summary is given below. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, will help your digestion. Some people think that ACV helps digestion by making the stomach make more acid. Controlling blood sugar. There is some evidence that ACV may make insulin work better and lower blood sugar levels, especially after meals. Weight loss. Some studies show that ACV may help with weight loss by making people feel fuller and lowering their calorie intake, but these effects need to be confirmed by more research. White vinegar. Antimicrobial properties. White vinegar has been used for a long time as a disinfectant, and it may help get rid of some germs and fungi. Blood sugar control. White vinegar may have a small effect on blood sugar levels, just like other types of vinegar. Balsamic vinegar. Antioxidants. Because it has antioxidants, balsamic vinegar may help keep cells from getting hurt by free radicals. Heart health. According to some studies, the antioxidants in balsamic vinegar may be good for heart health, because they lower inflammation and raise cholesterol levels. Red wine vinegar. Heart health. Like balsamic vinegar, red wine vinegar has vitamins that may be good for your heart. Controlling blood sugar. Some studies show that red wine vinegar may help make insulin work better and lower blood sugar levels. Rice vinegar. Gut health. Rice vinegar is a fermented food that has probiotics in it that may help gut health by keeping the mix of bacteria in the gut healthy. Weight management. Some research shows that rice vinegar may help lower body fat and weight, but these effects need to be confirmed by more research. Keep in mind that vinegar can be part of a healthy diet, but it should only be eaten in small amounts. Too much vinegar can hurt your gut system and wear away at your tooth enamel. Another thing is that everyone reacts differently to vinegar, so it's always a good idea to talk to a doctor before making big changes to your food for health reasons. Which vinegar tastes the best with which foods? What kind of vinegar is best for a dish depends on the tastes you want to achieve and the type of food you are cooking. Here is a general rule for how to match vinegars with different kinds of food. Apple cider vinegar, ACV. Salads. The slightly fruity and sour taste of ACV goes well with salads, especially ones that have apples or berries in them. Marinades. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, makes marinades for foods, especially pork and chicken, more flavorful. White vinegar. Pickles and pickled vegetables. The sharp acidity of white vinegar makes it great for pickling carrots, cucumbers, onions, and other vegetables. Cleaning. White vinegar is not good for eating, but it works great for cleaning fruits and veggies or as a part of homemade cleaners. Balsamic vinegar. Caprese salad. A famous caprese salad is made by drizzling balsamic vinegar over tomatoes, fresh mozzarella, and basil. Grilled meats and veggies. Glazes made with balsamic vinegar taste great on roasted veggies and grilled meats like chicken or steak. Red wine vinegar. Vinaigrettes. Many classic vinaigrettes are made with red wine vinegar as the base. It's great for dressing salads or marinating veggies. Stews and braises. Adding a splash of red wine vinegar to rich stews and braises can make them taste better by adding acidity to balance the flavors. Rice vinegar. Sushi rice. To season sushi rice, you need rice vinegar, which gives it the right amount of sweetness and sourness. Asian stir-fries and sauces. Rice vinegar gives Asian stir-fries, sauces, and dipping sauces like sweet and sour or ponzu a light sour taste. In the end, the best vinegar for a dish relies on your personal taste and the flavors you want to bring out. Trying out different kinds of vinegar can help you make your food taste better and lead to new flavor combinations. Who should not use vinegar? Most people can safely eat vinegar in moderation as part of a healthy diet. However, the following groups may need to reduce their vinegar intake or stay away from it altogether. 1. People who have acid reflux or GERD. Because vinegar is acidic, it can make the symptoms of acid reflux or gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, worse for some people. If you have any of these health problems, drinking vinegar might give you heartburn, pain, or irritation in your stomach. 2. People who have sensitive teeth or gums. Over time, vinegar's acidity can wear away tooth enamel, which can cause dental problems like cavities or more sensitive teeth. People who already have tooth problems or sensitive teeth should be careful when they eat vinegar and might want to dilute it or use less of it. 3. People who are intolerant of histamine. Some types of vinegar, like red wine vinegar and balsamic vinegar, contain histamines, which can make allergic reactions worse or cause them in people who are intolerant of histamine. Following these, people may experience signs like headaches, sweating, or stomach pain after eating vinegar. 4. People who have trouble controlling their blood sugar. Some studies have shown that vinegar may help people control their blood sugar. However, people with diabetes or other problems controlling their blood sugar should be very careful to watch their blood sugar levels when they eat vinegar, as it may make insulin less effective or medications less effective. 5. People who take certain medicines or have certain medical conditions. Vinegar may not work well with some medicines or medical conditions. For example, people who are taking medicines that lower potassium levels, or who have kidney problems should be careful about drinking vinegar, because it has potassium in it and can change the balance of electrolytes. Additionally, vinegar might not work well with blood thinners or diabetes or other medicines. So it's important to talk to a doctor if you are worried about drinking vinegar. It's important to listen to your body when making any changes to your diet. And you should talk to a doctor if you have any health problems that could be affected by vinegar. Thank you for joining us on Herbalist channel today. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring on your journey toward better health and well-being. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on herbal remedies, health tips, and nutritious recipes. Remember, nature has provided us with incredible healing properties through plants, and we're here to explore them together. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and stay tuned to Herbalist channel. Take care.